have an amazing view right now. Yeah, I have an amazing view right now. Look at that, crazy. Woo! So many of them. Honda Civic. Okay, RX-7. Okay, I don't want to pass because they will stop. Hope the other one also will. The waves, they are coming. Nissan 350Z. There's another one's coming. Yeah, it's so cool. Love this Silvia. Listen to the sound. There are more. This is so cool. Look at that. Here they are. More. The Infinity series. The Silvia. Cannot see that. So cool. Ah. Look at that. Oh my god. I think they don't want to draw attention a lot. But as you can see, this GTR and 350Z. Listen the sounds. Oh my god. I hit the jackpot. Look at this. This is Japan. Oh my god, Mazda RX-7. go there because they are not coming back. So after that, there's a place I think they are going. Ah, Sevilla. You see that, guys? People are meeting. Oh shit! Oh my god! Here we are, more and more coming right now. Let's see what will we have. This Silvia is so. Ah, BMW. Okay, they are all going to the parking lot. Morse. Okay, the cars are entering here. So all this area will be lots of cars. There will be a lot of cars here. I'm guessing this night will be so cool. Look at all these cars, guys. We got a GDM model. Oh my god, we have a Lamborghini over there. Motorcycles coming right now. Oh my god, the Camaros. More is coming. Yeah, Nissan GTR, BMW. What was that? Toyota. Okay. Guys, this night will never stop. It will never stop. Ah, the Lamborghini. Oh my god, guys, look at that. They are racing now. They are racing. Wow, crazy view. Get closer, I will get closer. I will get closer. Oh, so fucking cool. So fucking cool. Oh my god, they will get back. They will get back for sure. They will get back. You hear that sound between the skyscrapers? So cool. Japan. Love this country. It's amazing. It's amazing, guys. Okay, it's darker now, so I will get closer to here. Ah, listen to the sound, guys. It's so cool. Listen to the sound. All in the highway now, I can see that. think they will get closer. They will come again. So let me stop here. Guys, there's a police there. I think there will be some case right now. Alright, let's see. The police. All the cars coming right now. Look at all these cars, guys. Okay, I'm in the middle right now, so